In front of me is Vivo Y76 5G, and let me show you how to clear browsing data on this phone. So first of all, just open your browser, then tap on More icon and click on History. Then select Clear Browsing Data, and you will find Basic and Advanced options here. So under Basic you've got Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, and Cached Images and Files. And then under Advanced you've got a few more, which are Saved Passwords, Auto Film from Data, and Site Settings. Mark those that you'd like to remove, then pick the time range. So you can remove history from past hour, 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time. I will choose all time, click on Clear Data, confirm it, and that's it, it has been done. So that would be all, this is it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.